funnel buddy, we're here at the shop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out my drawer and probably remove the drawer. Then we're going to go over here on the side. Now the funnel buddy, there's a screw hole here for a handle, but this one's just an open hole. Same thing on the other side. So I found myself a bolt which screws into this. When the funnel buddy is clipped on there, this hole here, this hole on the left side doesn't line up. So we're going to take the drawer out and we'll find out exactly where it is, and we'll put a dot here and then drill it once we have everything level. Then we'll go home, we'll get it painted, and come back, get her installed. Probably throw a couple pieces of padding on the back so it doesn't scratch the box. But instead of putting it on the front here, we're probably going to put it on the back over here, so kind of be out of the way. So as you can see, it's pretty flush here. It's not too bad, so it'll be the same thing on the other side. I was scared it was going to stick up too high, but that'll be alright. So we'll go and we'll take it out, come through the back side, and we'll line up, put a dot there probably where the bolt's going to come through, and put that together. So we got our extra hole here drilled, and we centered it on there. What we ended up doing is taking out the drawer, and then going through the back side and putting a little dot there, and then drilling it. Alright, so we're back in the shop there this evening. We're going to peel the stickers off this, and we're going to sand her down. We're going to take this bottom piece out, and we're going to paint her black. So let's get at her. Alright, so we get that roughed up pretty good, the sander. Still some shiny spots on it, and it's a bit rough. I'm going to put a gloss finish on this instead of a matte finish, so I'm going to sand it down a little bit better. So I got these some sanding blocks, and just going to sand it down. Coat number 2. Alright, so we got 2 coats of primer on there. We're going to spray some of our gloss black paint. Do some light coats. Coat number 2. couple coats of paint on this. I didn't do the perfect sanding job, but the majority of it you're going to see is here and then here. So I took the air sander and I should have just scuffed it, primed it, and painted it, but I used the air sander because I wanted to speed things up a little. So I got a bit of rough sanding going on, but it's nothing too serious. I don't mind it. Not a lot of people are going to see it besides the other guys that are in the shop, but I want to dress this up a little bit. So I got a matte electric orange toolbox that this is going to mount on the side of. So I think what I'm going to do is put a couple snap-on stickers on it. So I got this color of orange. It's not quite the same color of the toolbox, but I think it'll work. So my plans are I think I'm going to take the word snap-on, I'll put it down in here, and then I'll put like a snap-on S or maybe just a small snap-on logo across the top. But that's the thoughts on that. So I'm going to measure this out. Yeah, I'll probably put a snap-on between the bolt holes. So between like here and here. So we'll put the word going downwards, and then a snap-on logo on top. That, or just, maybe I'll just take the S here and put snap-on across the top here. Just to kind of make it look similar to the toolbox and that it belongs with it. So we got our snap-on logos down on this, on our holster for our funnel buddy. We rebranded it, repainted it. We got our logo on the front, put the snap-on the top. Now, funnel buddy itself sits down in here. I think what I'm going to do is the extra little pieces that I made. It's either, maybe I'll take a snap-on one and go around it. Just kind of make it look like something. That, or take one of the S's and put that on. Maybe I'll put one of the S's on there. Then our little jug is a catch jug. Maybe I'll put a snap-on logo on this. Too long, and I don't want to angle it like that. I suppose I could. Suppose I could put it like that. Yeah, maybe that's what we'll do. So we'll get this and this cleaned up because there's a bit of fingerprint oil and stuff there from sitting around in the garage while I was doing all this. A little dirty. Alright, so we got our funnel buddy all mounted up. We put in a couple rubber pieces in behind here, like for underneath the chair. Same thing down here so it doesn't scratch it. But yep, that's how it looks. Side of the toolbox. Alright, well if you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe. Hit the little bell button there to keep up to date with new things. And we'll see you guys all next time.